So boom! Shout out to the homie Fox Designs over there at Fox Designs, yo. My man been trying to send me something in the mail for about 2 weeks. He resent it. And now it's here. Let me see what we got, man. Let me see what we got. Oh, this is fucking so boom! Hey, big shout out. Hey, big shout out to Fox Designs. Yo, fire right there. We got some booms in, man. Y'all, who wants some sabooms? That's fire. Fire. So the last time we seen the car, baby, that's not lotion. It's not lotion. That's Vaseline, baby. Yeah. So what you think about that? Stuck. And again. So boom, don't roast me, but we're gonna put a head gasket on it. No, we're not gonna just throw the head back on there. I'm gonna take it to the machine shop, have it checked out, right? Check out the head gasket though. Like, yikes, yo. I'm gonna take the head, get it decked, get a head gasket, and put this blood clot back together. So boom, welcome back to the channel, everybody. They closed buddies, so we over here at Dover Cylinder Head, Charlotte, North Carolina. Okay, Mr. Pooch. Hey, is this the entrance? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, let me grab it. Yeah, if that's a service offered. Yes, sir. There she is. So it ran hot. So I basically just want to make sure it's not cracked or warped. I mean, before I took it apart, it wasn't smoking or nothing.
You doing all right today?
Yeah, man. How about you?
I got no complaints. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, she's real hot.
How can you tell?
I can tell.
Uh-huh.
You see how dark the head gasket is right through here?
Yeah.
It should all look like that right there, and it's not. But it'll be an easy fix.
Okay.
I'll pull that off and go ahead and stick this in the cleaner.
All right.
Because I don't feel like messing with the V8.
Well, you know what? Shout out to you for feel like working on 4 cylinders this morning. I appreciate that.
Man, I tell you, if I can get away with it,
yeah,
in the near future,
no,
that'll be all I work on.
Let me ask you, I guess that shit don't matter.
Well, now I'm gonna tell you what, if you want, let me just pop that off of there. You know
yeah, we could just buzz it off. Yeah.
Well,
if you would, please.
What I'm gonna do is pop the gear off.
Yeah, that'll work.
That way your mark's gonna be there
when I put it back together. Yes, sir. Okay. Hell yeah. And here we are back at the house. Cleaned off the surface. right? And what I'm gonna do now is, y'all seen in the previous video that I did the harness for the multi-point conversion. So what I'm gonna do now, man, since we got the head off, we're gonna go ahead and just get this intake out of here. And we're gonna go right in. Let's go. So obviously we're gonna start by disconnecting this harness. Tender valve. The intake is officially out of there. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna work on pulling the harness out of here because we have another harness to make. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. The DX harness is out of there. So we're gonna go over here to the corner and grab the other harness, and we're going to wire that boy in, man. Let's go. So we reached the level, man. We got our new harness installed, wired up, hooked up to the intake manifold. We got our sub harness right here. We got our grommet opened up. We're gonna shove our sub harness in there. You know, hopefully by the time y'all see this video with the head on there, I've already dropped my part 2 to the harness. Right now, we're gonna drain this. Got a freeze plug back here. Can't really see it. There we go. Here's the freeze plug. We're gonna loosen that up and get this antifreeze drained out of there. Man, how long is this damn boat? Now that all the coolant is out of there, we are going to see. I had to like push it up the garage. Just gonna let it gravity feed onto the ground and hit it with some water. Now that we got that all good, I'm gonna come in here, close that up, kind of just clean down in there, spray back off in there, and put her back in the garage. Drain plug done. Got the hose going to the eye. Got this breather hooked up. Late night shenanigans. Got the head back. So we can get a good view. Valves look, you know, like they got 190 something thousand miles on it, but the head actually came out good. No cracks, shaved well, has enough clearance. My guy cleaned it up real nice. And we got, gonna get that plastic off of there. Put a cam seal in it and let her go. So boom, knock on front. Came in a nice little box with the chrome on it, you know what I'm saying? Light on that thing so y'all can see the bling bling. You know what I mean? Bolts came in. Velcro head gasket. Fresh cam seal installed. First round torque specs, 14 foot-pounds. Got our wrench set to 14 foot-pounds. $10. 36 foot-pounds of torque. Next step, 49 foot-pounds of torque. This head, ladies and gentlemen, is torqued down. And it's the next day, next morning. Exhaust manifold is on. Intake manifold is on. Valve cover is on. Spark plugs are in. Obviously, timing belt is on. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that we have tested the thermostat, which tested good. So thermostat is back on. We have repaired our O2 sensor wire. We got us some new plugs. Got us a dizzy. Got us some oil. So basically right now, power steering's on. Basically right now what we have to do is drain the oil, put fresh oil, put some antifreeze in there. So let me get all that buttoned up and I'll be back. So of course it didn't go how I planned it. I had a B series dizzy. That shit didn't work. No, B series dizzies do not work on single cams. All right. So I had my OBD1. So you see what time it is. We went OBD1. This right here goes to a port in the back of the intake, right? That was coming out with antifreeze. So I just plugged that. And yeah. We went straight to OBD1 after the swap. Obviously all the wires work. No check engine light. Show you all the math. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Make sure, man, y'all like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We running OBD1. Until next time, turn one. Peace.